Friends, many of the gardeners like to grow permanent flowering plant which will grow year after year, and you can see this is the crown of thorns. This is a very very noble plant, and in Old Testament you can see the instances of this plant. The plants are very very nice, and you can see the flower are different colors, mainly yellow, red, pink and white, four colors, and in combination of others some other colors also appear. So in 8 to 10 color variations you can get if you grow this plant, and they require sunlight and proper sunlight. If you grow them year after year, you can get round the year, you can get the flowers. But here you can see just thorns. The in the New Testament you can see the crown of thorns was a wreath of thorns placed on the head of Jesus Christ by the Roman soldiers as a form of mockery and pain during the crucifixion. So this is a very very noble plant in New Testament, and this is a powerful religious symbol of a Jesus sacrifice and suffering for humanity. So this one relic is believed to be in the crown of thorns, is kept in the Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris. So you can see this in Paris, the relics of this one. So here this is very very noble plant for Christianity, and around the year you can get flowers. So today I'll tell you some special varieties where you can see there is no thorn at all, and many of the people like to grow no thorn plants. So here some new varieties have come in the market that I'll also introduce to which variety are there and how to grow them and how to propagate them. You just cut them at the base and you dry them, and you can grow in the soil. This is new variety of Milii, Euphorbia Milii, or this thorn of crowns, and here you can see there is no thorn at all. This is totally, the stem is totally plain and there is no risk of any thorn. So you can grow this variety of crown of thorns, this plant Euphorbia Milii, and this price is around rupees 50 only in any of the nursery you can get. And if you grow once, you can propagate it through cuttings and you can propagate easily. But today I will tell you how to grow them easily, and what is the soil mixture you will grow. Soil mixture I will also tell you which soil mixture you can grow. But before that I am cutting the grow bag here with the blade and taking out the plane from the root ball. So just taking out the plant from the root ball, and I am showing you the process of growing this plant. So these are the plants, are some with the thorns and some plants are without thorns. And soil mixture I'll tell you the four types of things I will mix. First one is garden soil, plain garden soil, and in one part I will this crushed brick. This is also called surki in our area. This is surki, and one part I will cow dung compost. Here I am adding little bit of cow dung compost, and one part I will add river sand. These four components I will add. You can change the combination and ratio, and here after mixing it properly we will place the plant in this pot. Just watch how to grow Euphorbia Milii or crown of thorns. This is very very easy plant, and if you don't water for week or 2 weeks they will survive. They are just like cactus like plant. So this is very easy. And one thing I tell you, so whenever you are growing in a pot, choose any clay pot, and where the holes are covered with a broken piece of old pot. So after it I will plant the, just watch how I am growing the plant or potting the plant. Friends, after putting the pebbles here, now put some small amount of soil mixture here, and now place at the center. Place the total pot root ball at the center and fill up the soil around the pot. This is how you will fill up the soil. And the next I will show you in another pot. I will be potting the thornless Euphorbia Milii. So that is the very very important, because nowadays people don't like to grow the thorned plant. They like to grow some new variations of this Euphorbia Milii, that is thornless. So this is the one plant I have potted it properly, and the second one I am potting here. This one is thornless Euphorbia Milii or Milii, plain Milii, and this one is here. I am filling little bit of soil and then put the root ball here and then again fill up the soil proper here. One thing I tell you, whenever you are growing, they need full sunlight and you have to save it from rainwater. If there is excess rainwater, then you have to apply fungicide in after 15 days. Every 15 days you have to apply fungicide 2 gram per liter so that the plant will survive. So this is how. And now when we are potting it for the first time, you have to water it full and then keep it for semi-shade area for 3 to 4 days, and after 3 to 4 days I will take it in the full sunlight. So they love sunlight, and you have to water it every once or twice in a week, and you will get the flower around the year. You can get flower from this plant. So this is very unique plant, Euphorbia Milii. They comes in different colors, all the color combination you can get, and this is a very lucky plant and noble plant for Christianity. So this one is again. Thank you so much. So nice of you.